YouTube, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Yanni, back at you with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing and also reviewing the latest Babyliss trimmers, the influencer collection. This is the patty cuts version, the green and black. They also do come in red and black and also purple and black, but this is the black and green, the patty cuts version. And like you've seen earlier in the video, it has all the features, the new features such as the rubber grip, the DLC blade, and also the interchangeable housing hooks. So that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at the clipper, guys. The clipper is gorgeous. Some of the differences that I see from any of the other trimmers is the matte green color finish, the matte paint, also the rubber grip as you see, and like I said before, the new blade. Alright guys, and inside of the box, once we're able to open it, as you see inside of the box, it's going to bring the instruction manual, also a sticker from Babyliss, which I did stick on my ring light. Beautiful sticker from Babyliss. As always, they always send stickers with their products, and of course the instruction manual that no one reads, so we're not going to read it, we're just going to move on. Next in the package is going to include the housing hook. Like I said earlier, it's interchangeable, so you can change it from the stock green to black depending on your preference. You simply can take the screws off and interchange them to your liking. And inside of the box, it's going to bring the charger. The charger is the same as all the other Babyliss trimmers. Nothing special, it's pretty much the same thing, but it does bring a charger, of course, and also it brings a cam follower. I think that's what you call it. It goes right on the blade where the screws screw in, so that's something new because the other trimmers didn't include this part. So that's very convenient and very smart of Babyliss to include that. And in the other package inside of the box, it's going to bring a zero gap tool. In this case, it's green, matching the clipper color compared to the stock color with all the other trimmers, which is the red one. So I thought that was pretty cool to give you a different color zero gap tool. I really like that, and I like that I can add that to my collection. Also in this pack, just like all the other Babyliss clippers and trimmers, it brings the little Babyliss screwdriver. And that's pretty much everything that's going to be inside of the box. Very beautiful clipper. I've been using it for about a week and I very much enjoyed it. So guys, here I'm going to show you how it cuts, how it sets in lines, and also how it debulks. So here I was doing a bald fade, so I'm setting in my initial guideline using the new trimmer, and as you can see, it sets in beautiful clean lines very effortlessly, very clean, very sharp. The blade is super sharp. It debulks so well, very close to the skin. Highly recommended. And here guys, I'm using my other Babyliss trimmer. I have the gold 2.0 blade, so you guys can see a comparison from both the trimmers As you can see, this one sets in good lines as well and debulks very well as well. But the green one cuts a little bit closer. It's definitely a little bit closer than the other blade, so that's very good, and I enjoyed that about it. The blade does cut very close. Alright guys, and I'm going to show you how this sounds so you guys can have a comparison of how each of the clippers sound. So I'm going to show you the old one. There's the noise and how it sounds on my Silver FX. It is pretty loud, I must say. So the Patty Cuts version, the new trimmer, is very quiet compared to the Silver FX. Huge difference in sound, much more quieter. Even though the Silver FX does feel like it has more power, they both have the same power. It's just a little bit louder. I don't know if it's because I've been using the Silver FX for longer, because it was a little more quiet when I first got it. But just out the box, the Silver FX is definitely louder than the Patty Cuts version. They're still both very good trimmers, highly recommend. This trimmer sets great lines, debulks very well. I love the rubber grip, I love the new blade, I love everything about this clipper. I highly recommend it to everyone to go ahead and grab you a pair of these and see how they work for you. Compared to the Silver FX, it's night and day. Definitely a go. Definitely go and cop your pair. It's your boy Yanni signing out. Hey.